Eat your favorite foods and lose weight. Diet to lose weight fast. We have always believed and still believe that the best way to lose weight is through caloric deficit, consuming less calories daily than the number of calories required to maintain your current body weight. Unfortunately, not everybody can control their impulses and be able to count calories. So, let me ask you a question. How would you like to eat your favorite foods, including milkshakes and fast foods, and lose weight fast and gain energy and strength? If this sounds good to you, stick around because this could change your life. Hi, this is Waysandhow. We have been doing health and fitness videos for years, and if you are familiar with most of our weight loss videos, you will probably think that we have gone crazy by suggesting anybody can lose weight eating their favorite foods, including milkshakes and fast foods. If you're skeptical and think that we are crazy, I don't blame you. We were skeptical too, but something changed our minds, and it will change yours. If one of the reasons you can't lose weight is because you can't let go of your favorite foods, this video is for you. If any of the reasons are because you have tried and failed to lose weight, no matter what diet plan you have tried, this may also be in your alley. If you are overweight or obese and have never tried to lose weight because you're afraid of failure, stick around, because this could be the miracle weight loss plan you have been waiting for all your life. Now let me caution you. If you're not serious about losing weight, I will suggest that you stop watching this video now. Let me repeat that. If you are not serious about losing weight, stop watching this video right now. Why am I saying this? Because it will not help you, and may even confuse you and leave you wondering why you have been told all your life about what you are supposed to do to lose weight. Now, for those of you who are serious about losing weight, I want you to watch the entire video, every second of it, and follow the directions outlined at the end of the video. By now you are probably wondering, what is all this about anyway? Well, it is a weight loss plan based on hard science about real people who spend years, and in some cases have tried many times to lose weight but failed, until they discovered this diet breakthrough. This is a true scientific study that discovered the root cause of obesity and how to completely reverse it. This Cambridge University breakthrough study discovered that what makes you fat is not necessarily what you eat, but what has died in you. Something you were born with that has died or completely depleted due to environmental factors, stress, as well as antibiotic medications you have taken all your life. This study centered on the effects of gut ecology on weight loss, focusing specifically on the chemistry of our digestive systems and not our metabolism. The conclusion of the study shows that certain good bacteria in us that were made to burn fat in our bodies around the clock has weakened or completely gone, leaving us vulnerable without defense and with a weak metabolism. So, how do you replace the weak and bad bacteria inside you with healthy bacteria that will fuel your body to eat anything you want, including all your favorite foods, and still lose weight effortlessly? That all-natural weight loss breakthrough is a secret recipe. Here is how to get it, so follow these 4 steps. Step 1. Click on the link in the description and watch the next video. Watch every second of it. If you can't watch the entire video, don't bother yourself or waste your time. Step 2. Come back in 3 weeks and tell us how you are doing. If it works for you, other people would like to know and hopefully benefit from it. So please make sure to come back as often as possible to update us on your progress. Step 3. By now you have heard everything, except getting your hands on the secret breakthrough that allows you to lose weight eating whatever you want. Now it is time for your decision. This is where you decide. We can't do it for you. We have done our job to get you here. The decision is all yours. The only thing that we can tell you for certain is that you have nothing to lose except your fat, and plenty to gain, such as the slim and sexy life ahead of you. Why do we say that you have nothing to lose? Because whatever money you spent on this breakthrough weight loss plan will be returned to you, no questions asked, if you did not lose weight or reach your goals. There is a 60-day money-back guarantee. Step 4. We believe that this will work for you if you follow through and do exactly as the plan suggested. And if you are not satisfied and did not get your money back, let us know and we will help you if necessary. Make sure you keep all your information and records so that we can help you if for any reason you did not get your money back. Of course, we expect you to be honest and try not to get your money back if the plan worked for you. Good luck to you, and happy slim and sexy life ahead.